केंद्र सरकार में मेरे साथी, हमारा सूचना प्रसारण मंत्रालय का राज्य मंत्री कर्नल राज्यवर्धन राठौर जी, मेरा सचिव श्री अजय मित्तल जी, आज इस विशेष कार्यक्रम में भाग लेने के लिए आए दोनों महानुभावों का अपने विशेष रूप में इस कार्यक्रम से जुड़े हुए इन दोनों का आपने भाषण भी सुना है। उन्होंने अच्छा संदेश भी दिया है नया पीढ़ी को मोटिवेट करने के लिए। I am very happy to see all of you here, particularly the children from the government schools. We were keen to have the children from the government schools because the private schools, the convents, they are capable of going to any movie, seeing any movie, and enjoying any entertainment. But the children of the government schools comparatively are deprived of such facilities, sometimes such luxuries also. So we thought we should better focus more on the government school children. Today, on the eve of the 70th year of independence, I congratulate all my fellow countrymen and more particularly my young children who have assembled here in a good number. The Government of India has decided to celebrate Independence Day in a more befitting manner by organizing various events throughout the country to spread the message of freedom and inculcate nationalism into the minds of our people, especially our younger generation. Independence Day's celebration should not be relegated to a mere government event but should be celebration by the people at large, just like any other festival. Because it's really a festival for all of us Indians. India getting freedom. हमारा सब के लिए तो सचमुच में एक जश्न बनाने का अवसर है। इसलिए माननीय प्रधानमंत्री ने कहा ये फंक्शन केवल रेड फोर्ट तक सीमित करना, नहीं तो सरकारी कार्यक्रम तक सीमित करना नहीं है, इसको जनता में ले जाना, समाज में विभिन्न वर्गों को इस उत्सव में आने के लिए, कार्यक्रम में भाग लेने के लिए मौका देना चाहिए। ऐसी कार्यक्रमों का रचना होना चाहिए जिसको देख के, जिसमें भाग लेके लोग प्रेरणा ले, मोटिवेट हो जाए और आगे बढ़े अपना जीवन में। My young friends, country has got freedom. Many countries also fought for their freedom. But our freedom struggle is something unique because our freedom struggle has given the world the power of non-violence. There were freedom struggles in other parts of the world, but there was bloodshed, lot of bloodshed and all. But here, you are seeing today the great Gandhiji's film. He has taught us, and he led that movement to throw away the foreigners, to get relieved from the slavery through non-violent methods. अहिंसा उन्होंने एक सिद्धांत के रूप में देश के सामने प्रस्तुत किया और उसको प्रैक्टिस किया, सब लोगों को मोटिवेट किया है। इसलिए दुनिया के लिए ये भी एक अच्छा उदाहरण है। It was possible because of the vision of our leaders and strong foundations laid by Gandhiji and others. While this year is the 70th year of our independence, it also happened to be 75th year of the Quit India movement. भारत छोड़ो आंदोलन उस समय 1942 अगस्त 8 तारीख रात को मुंबई में अगस्त क्रांति मैदान में सभी नेताओं ने समावेश करके उन सब ने निर्णय किया, प्रस्ताव पारित किया, ब्रिटिशर्स को कहा भाई भारत छोड़ो, स्वराज हमारा जन्म तक हक है। Like that, all our great leaders, they came together and then gave that call. So this is the 75th year. So we should remember on these two occasions our great leaders who have shown their courage and conviction, fought against the foreigners, laid down their lives also, many of them. Many of them have given up their professions. Some of them were bar at law. They have taken out the gowns. Some of them left their other important rich professions also. And even ordinary people, poor people also, all, I'm sorry, I am suffering with fever and body pains and running nose for last 3 days. In spite of that, I went to Mumbai and took part in this August Kranti Maidan function. There was a heavy rain also at that time. Since then, I'm not yet able to finally recoup from that. So this is an occasion to recall the memories of the lives of those great leaders, the sacrifices they have made, the path they have shown. So the government of India has decided to celebrate this Azadi 70 Saal Yaad Karo Qurbani. The sacrifices made by our great people, we should remember them. उसको नमन करें और स्मरण करें. ये मुख्य इस कार्यक्रम का केंद्र बिंदु वही है. तो पानी दो. People from different walks of life, from different parts of the country, contributed to the freedom movement. They were educationists, they were lawyers, they were leaders, there were farmers, साधारण किसान भी इसमें आंदोलन में भाग लिया है. There were artists, there were writers, there were ordinary men and women. Even women also participated, even right from Jhansi Lakshmi Bai, Kitturi Rani Channamma, Rani Abbakka, lot of Sarojini Naidu, Durga Bai Deshmukh. You have many, Kamala Devi Chattopadhyay, you have Rani Rudramma in that part of the country. Lot of people, they have all fought against the British imperialism, and then they were instrumental in driving them out. Indian cinema, we are today having the film festival. Indian cinema has played a vital role not only during the freedom movement but also in propagating the deeds and the valor of our leaders and countrymen. These films inspire us even whenever we get an opportunity to watch them. There are a number of classic remains timeless like the opening film of the festival, Gandhi, unparalleled. Shahid, another important film. Anandamath, Hakikat, and Veerapande Kattabomman, Alluri Sitaramarazu. These are two films. Veerapande Kattabomman is from Tamil Nadu, near Tuticorin, and Alluri Sitaramarazu is from the Rampachodavam forest area of Andhra Pradesh. They mobilized tribals, they mobilized ordinary people, they fought against the Britishers. In fact, I must tell you frankly, my dear students, as a student, I went and saw Veerapande Kattabomman film. I was so inspired, really. Earlier I read Gandhiji's life, I read Tilak's life, I read Sardar Patel. But after seeing that film at a very young age, that film was produced by B.R. Pantulu, a famous director, I was so inspired. So recently, I went along with Advaniji during Swarna Jayanti Rathayatra and then went to that place. This time now, the Prime Minister asked all the 75 ministers to go around the country, visit the birthplace of leaders, garland their statues, pay tribute to them, and also if there is any memorial, visit the memorial, etc. So each minister has been asked to go to two places. I have chosen one, the place of August Kranti Maidan, Quit India. The other one is I am again going to Tuticorin to Veerapande Kattabomman's birthplace. Such is the inspiration of a film. Otherwise, people do not know much about Veerapande Kattabomman. Same is the case with Alluri Sitaramarazu. It's so inspiring. If you see that movie, you get regenerated with all enthusiasm and commitment. The festival opens with the much acclaimed film Gandhi, directed by late Richard Attenborough, a film which turned the attention of the world towards Indian freedom movement, which was based on a non-violence. It is our privilege to have among us today Sri A.K. Bair, eminent cinematographer and director who was the first unit cameraman of the film. You heard him just now. India's victory in 1965 war fired the imagination of a young film actor, Sri Manoj Kumar, in Mumbai, which led to the making of Upkar in 1967. It's been almost half a century since he lived the role of Bhagat Singh in Shahid. The film is still in our memories. Sri Manoj Kumar was recently honored with the highest award given for contribution to cinema, Dada Saheb Phalke Award, at the 63rd National Film Festival Awards function. In 1959, the Tamil film Veerapandya Kattabomman was directed by B.R. Pantulu. It is the story of a whaler of Kattabomman, an 18th century local leader from a place called Tirunelveli, located in the southern Tamil Nadu. He refused to accept the sovereignty of Britishers, East India Company, and fought against them in the 1790s. That is much before the first war of independence. 1857 के पहले ही उन्होंने उस समय वहाँ लीड लिया. Today, people remember the deeds of Kattabomman through this film and the performance of the main actor. Only cinema can make such an impact on the minds of the people, and I request our filmmakers to come up with more films of nationalistic theme. Whether it is Shivaji Ganeshan or N.T. Ramarao, who played the role of Veerapandya Kattabomman, it was really very, very inspiring. One of the towering personalities of our freedom movement and founding fathers of the Republic of India is Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, who played the leading role in integration of our country. He was the integrator of combining all these unions into one and making it an independent nation. The film Sardar is a portrayal of the life of Sardar Patel, directed by filmmaker Sri Ketan Parekh. Another equally important, Ketan Mehta. I'm very sorry for this. Another equally important leader is Vinayak Damodara Veera Savarkar, whose sacrifices are unparalleled. 17.5 years in a single cellular jail cell in Port Blair. Children really should go there. I was suggesting to HRD Ministry to give concession also, organize and take the children to cellular jail in Port Blair, where they can see themselves the sufferings undergone by our great freedom fighters. He was there inside a cell for 17.5 years, single cell. I'm sure all of us, especially the school children who attended the festival, would be inspired by the history of these great leaders. On the occasion of 70th year of our independence, while paying homage to our freedom fighters and our great leaders, let us also rededicate ourselves to the national cause and its development. What is a nation? Nation is not केवल geographical भौगोलिक इलाका नहीं है. नेशन माने केवल कुछ पढ़े लिखे लोग. नेशन माने देश में रहने वाले सब लोग हैं. दलित है, आदिवासी है, मुस्लिम है, क्रिश्चियन है, हिंदू है, फॉरवर्ड है, बैकवर्ड है. Irrespective of caste, creed, sex, religion and region, India is one nation, one people, one country. That should be the spirit among all of us. Second, we may belong to different regions, different religions. अलग भाषा, अलग वेश, फिर भी अपना एक देश. विविधता में एकता, भारत का विशेषता. ये सब लोग इसको स्मरण करना चाहिए, याद रखना चाहिए और एकजुट होकर हम सब लोग आगे बढ़ना चाहिए. और जो आज़ादी हमको मिला है, इस आज़ादी को, स्वराज्य को स्वराज्य के रूप में परिवर्तन करने के लिए माननीय प्रधानमंत्री श्री नरेंद्र मोदी जी के नेतृत्व में जो प्रयास चल रहे, वो प्रयास में हम सब लोग भागीदारी होना चाहिए. देश सर्वोन्नति के ऊपर पहुँचे, सर्वांगीण विकास हो जाए, हम सब लोग उसमें भागीदारी हो जाए. यही मेरा आज का संदेश है आप सब लोगों को. और जो मेरे प्यारे बच्चे जो आए आज फिल्म्स देखने के लिए, और आने वाले दिनों में भी सब फिल्म्स ओपन टू चिल्ड्रन, आके ये फिल्म्स वगैरह देख के उससे प्रेरणा लेके अपना जीवन को और सुधारने के लिए, सार्थक बनाने के लिए प्रयास करें. यही मेरा आप सब लोगों से निवेदन है. सबको शुभकामना. जय हिंद.